it's Taylor, aka BeautyThat, and today I'm going to be showing you what I got for Christmas. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas if you celebrate it, Happy Holidays, and also a Happy New Year. I'm going to be posting a video on New Year's resolutions, how to stick to them, all that stuff, so make sure to stay tuned. So the first thing I got was a set of oval brushes, and I was really excited about these because I asked for them like as I was shopping with my mom and stuff. So my mom got me these, and just a pack of 10. I've already used like 5 of them, one for my face makeup, concealer, contour, all that stuff. These oval brushes blend extremely well. They're so soft. I recommend. And then I got the Match Sticks Trio from Fenty Beauty, and this is the Tan 300, so it comes with caramel, truffle, and rum. Rum for the highlight is freaking bomb. I love it so much. And then I got a Sephora Favorites for mascara, and it comes with Benefit, Buxom, Tarte, Bare Minerals, and Urban Decay. I'm really excited to use these. I know that the Buxom mascara and the Tarte mascara are extremely good, but I have not tried the Bare Minerals yet. The Too Faced Chocolate Gold eyeshadow palette. These colors are freaking amazing. I'm gonna try to open it just so you guys can see. Like, oh, look at the packaging. But my goodness, these colors, just the pigments are incredible. So I can't wait to make some tutorials with this. Thought it smelled like chocolate too. And then my friend Kiera got me this set for Victoria's Secret Pink, all of their perfumes, their fragrances. So this is really nice, and it comes in a really cute package, smelling fresh and clean. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And then my friend Mallory for Secret Santa got me this Ipsy bag, which comes with so much makeup in it. I'm so excited. I got a couple eyeshadows, so I can't wait to try these. And then it comes with the Balm Travel Shadow. Oh, look how cute this is. I've never had an Ipsy bag before, so this is my first, and I'm really happy. My mom got me the Artesian's easel. Comes with like 18 different brushes, which I really needed an update on my brushes. So new makeup vids on the way, all kinds of brushes in here. And then my mom got me the Victoria's Secret pink backpack, and this is such good quality. It has like a velvet texture to it, compartments like crazy. I'm gonna wait for my senior year to use this backpack, but this is definitely my senior year backpack. It has so many compartments in the inside. And then this is what the back looks like. Oh, the metallic pink. Just the makeup blender sponges, and there's like 5 beauty blenders in here, and it comes with a container to hold it. So I really needed an update on a beauty blender. I threw my old one out because it was disgusting. There's this pink tote, Victoria's Secret pink tote. It's kind of like a mauve color. Bruh. But this Victoria's Secret pink tote. It's gray on the side, it says pink, and then it has like 2 separate compartments in the front. To match the tote, I also got this pouch. I think I'm just gonna use that as maybe as a pencil pouch. I think that's what it looks like to me. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to be used for. But yeah, it's like the perfect size to like hold pencils in and stuff. I have this 3-piece of chokers, which you know I'm a choker girl. So this is another one of those like bohemian hipster feel kind of chokers, so I'm excited to wear these. And then my mom got me like the velvet top from Victoria's Secret and the matching bottoms. Got this cute hat for a pink too. Long sleeve black pink top. The back I live for. Ooh, this is all white pink, and then the sides have like a pop of color on it. White ripped jeans, which may I tell you is really hard to come by when you have like really long legs like mine. And they actually fit. They're completely like the long length, they go down to my ankles. Bless, and they're ripped, so I mean. And then I got this really cute top from Forever 21 because I'm a Forever 21 girl. It's like really like small, I guess would be the word for it, but I can always pair it with something. It's cute. Another black pink top, hot orange, hot pink. I don't know what kind of color is that. So then there's this in like a purple, and then I got this adorable bodysuit. It's all black, but then it has colorful stars down the sleeves. Another bodysuit. This is like a nude colored bodysuit, I would say, but it has a hood. Can we just talk about this? The sleeves are open. What? Oh my gosh. And then to match that, I got these crazy print pants. Look at this. Look at this. It's just a black tee, but it says weekend checklist, wake up late, shower, coffee, and croissants. Forget weekdays like Monday exist. And so it has like fur on it for the highlighted parts. Graphic tees too. I'm into stuff. Another pink tee, white and black. And then I got a bunch of jeans that I could just pair with stuff. And it's all like the same style jeans, just like the skinny stretch. A nice pair of teal. A nice peachy, I would say like a peach orange. striped shirt, and it has like it's from Forever 21 crop top because it's not full length, it's cut at the bottom, and then these are the sleeves. More bodysuits. This is like, I have to be gentle with this, but this is just a long sleeve green. It's a bodysuit, so yeah. This is from Forever 21 as well, but this is the top. You can wear off the shoulder, on one shoulder, both up with your arms through it. I can't wait to rock this. My mom got me this really cute bodysuit. It doesn't have sleeves, but it has just a lot of like crosses in the front. And then my mom got me these. It's like a burnt orange. Your girl got some new pants. This is another choker, silver and teal. So I guess I would definitely wear this with my teal pants. And I'm really excited for this next choker because it matches the burnt orange pants and it fits the bohemian look that I'm like going for. But it has like this cute little stone. Final thing I got for Christmas was also Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. You know, your girl had to have that highlight poppin'. So remember when I said I wanted to look like a glazed donut? I wanted to look like a glazed donut for the summer of 2017. That didn't work out too well because, you know, I didn't really have like highlight poppin' and stuff. So now that I have Rum from Fenty and now I also have Trophy Wife from Fenty, you guys can believe. Trust and believe. So thank you guys for watching what I got for Christmas. If you guys got anything that was similar to what I got, make sure to comment that down below. I want to know what we could be twinning with. Follow me on Snapchat or add me on Snapchat. It's Taylor.Tarver, and follow me on Instagram. It is TarverTaylor. I'll have everything in the description box below. Also, if you guys have any requests on videos I should make in the future, make sure to comment that down below as well. Don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel. I miss you guys and I love you guys so much. Don't forget to beauty that. Bye! Mwah.
I've been really tripping, babe. I learned my lesson, yeah. I still need you to listen, oh, babe. Hey, listen to me.
Like, oh my goodness. My phone is on. Okie dokie. It's been a while since I've made videos, guys. I don't really know what I'm saying or what is coming out of my mouth, but I'm trying my best.